she gave this 100 rupee notes. That's to my daughter. It's a Pakistani rupee. When we were young, we buy something with these rupees.
She gave me that note and she told me that took this note with you in Pakistan, and like I gave it to my dad.
I just ran into this young man, and since I've been to Bangladesh and I have friends there, and he was the father of a tennis player, so we had common interests, and we just started chatting. And then he showed me this note, and I thought, oh, that's cute, you know. I mean, and then he said, you can have it. I took it to a shop and I said, I need this. And I said, among the other notes, I stuck this in there. And the guy said, what is this? You know? And he started taking pictures of it.